This is a sample data where student ID and subject is there. Student ID 5 repeated multiple times with subjects, multiple subjects. But we are expecting that student ID 5, we want all the subjects in single row. Let's see how to transform the data. This is the data. First, select the data. Go to Data tab. You can see from table. Now it is selected. Click on. It will be redirected to Power Query Editor window. Now select the student ID column. Go to Transform. Click on Group by. Once this is clicked, click here Advanced. New column name is Count. As it is, we are keeping it. Now click on All Rows. Under Operation. Click OK. We got this. Now we add a new column by going to this Add Column option, Custom Column. In the custom column name, we can give this name as All Subjects. Now in the formula we type text dot combine, open the bracket, box bracket. First in the box bracket we need to type this name count. Count, close the box bracket. Next open the box bracket again. Now you type the column name which was subjects. Close the box bracket, comma, double quote, one more comma, space, double quote. This we have used to bring differentiate for each subject with the comma. Close the bracket. There is no syntax error stated. Click on OK. Now we can see the data. This column select and click on Remove. Once the data is ready, go to Home and click on Close and Go. The data which is here got transformed into this way using Power Query. I hope this video helps you to transform your data. If you like this video, please click on like button. Please comment by giving thank you. Thank you for watching.